Good morning. I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny. Y'all, it is freezing cold here in South Mississippi today. This weekend, Poppy and I did some work in the garden. It's the first time we've worked in the garden since we built the cold frames for the fall tomatoes. We're getting the garden ready for the spring planting. But first things first, Granny's getting roses, y'all. I'm so excited. It has been 10 years since I've had a proper rose garden. The last one was in Virginia, and I had about 30 rose bushes in that garden. Now, here in South Mississippi, I've got a smaller yard, so it's going to be a smaller garden. These birds want to be in my video. But when we sold that house, I had every intention of building a new rose garden when we moved down here. And for whatever reason, I didn't. And we lived in our other house for 10 years. And I guess that I was concentrating more on growing my vegetables and just really didn't think about the roses until last year. And if you'll remember, I went on a mad search for roses at the wrong time of year and ended up getting a knockout rose that I don't even like. So the other day we were at Walmart and I bought 3 roses from there. And I don't usually buy roses from Walmart just because I haven't had good experiences with them. But I had the bug and I went ahead and bought them. So this weekend, Poppy built me a garden bed for the roses. So what we're going to do is fill the garden bed up with 9 rose bushes. Let me go ahead and show you the bed that we built. And there it is. Now, if you'll notice, it is behind the main vegetable garden, which is where I grew my sunflowers and zinnias last year. What we did was we took the old bed out. It's here. And it's 3 feet by 10 feet long. We rebuilt a new one that is 4 feet by 10 feet long. And there will be 2 rows. One has been started already with the Walmart roses right here. And there will be 5 back here and 4 up here in the front. So let me show you the roses I got. This one is called New Year, which I thought was quite appropriate since it's the new year. It's a orange and golden rose, a grandiflora rose. It'll have great big blooms on it and hopefully be continually blooming like most grandifloras are. This one is called Fragrant Cloud. And it is a salmon coral color, very bright rose. I've owned one like this before. It's a hybrid tea rose. Now, a hybrid tea rose grows a little differently than a grandiflora. It only blooms in flushes. You get 3 to 4 flushes a year. And this one is called Moonlight Magic. And it's a beautiful pale lavender rose. So, what do you think of that idea? Not only are we going to have vegetables this year, but we're also going to have a ton of flowers. Next week, we're going to be doing some more preparations. We're going to be building 2 raised beds for the main garden so that I don't have to bend over so far. My back is starting to really, I guess, get a little older, and it's harder for me to bend down and tend to the garden. So Poppy's going to build me some raised beds so that I don't have to bend over so far. I've also got vegetable seeds coming from Southern Exposure Seed Company, and I have some sunflower and zinnia seeds coming from Swallowtail Garden Seeds. So once those come in, we're going to get this season started. So make sure you subscribe so you can watch all of our progress. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon. All right?